Okay, square root is 242, which is down as a medium. I've had to cheat on it, which is quite annoying. So there are 7 words, 7 starting squares. So although 2 words start with the same letter, a C, they start in different places. We have 1 starting square, which is a vowel, so we know that must be the A of Akira. And then no words start with a K, so we know that that's a K immediately. But then the rest of the word could go any old where. Do we have any other clues? Not much to go on really. We have these double vowels, which I always like looking at. There's a pair here and a pair there. But there is only one word which has a double vowel in it, which is rescuers. So, does rescuers fit with a UE, 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 or UE? It must do one of those. And I had this really neat arrangement here in the top right hand corner, where it went R, E, S, C, U, E, R, S. And I thought that is a really neat way of fitting it in. But then when I checked on my Solver app, it was wrong. And I'd already seen you couldn't have the U and the E the other way round in there. Because if you did that, then that would have to be a C in the top right, which is a starting square. You might think that's all right. We've got 2 words that start with a C, but to use that, you'd have to have the S there. No words go CS, so that can't be right. You can't have the UE that way round. So then looking over on the top left, you can obviously have the UE, either UE or UE. And they are in fact UE. Well, basically I cheated because I checked that whether it went there and it didn't. So then I worked out that over here it would have to go R, E, S, C, U, E, R, S. It's how I managed to get it to fit in not using that UE. So we've got rescuers in with a bit of cheating, so let's carry on from there. We've got this top left cell which is trapped. It has to have, it can't go there because none of the second letters of the words are starting letters, apart from Shrek. So we could have SH, no we can't because the R can't go there. And anyway, Shrek looks as though it would be quite nice using that K, so let's put that in like that to get Shrek in. So as I said, this we need a starting word there, a starting letter of a word there, which can't go down because we can't put Shrek in there because it needs to have a vowel as its third letter. And you can't have any other word which goes down, so it must go across. It must have something E, and we've got rescuers in, so it must be Hercules. H-E-R-C-U. Actually, we know there are no words that start with an L, so the L of Hercules must go there. And then we've got a handy S over here, so let's have it going over to that. And we've got Hercules in. Now we have a starting cell here, which then has to have an H, U or an E. Okay, so it's not Cars, not Coraline, must be Mulan. M-U-L. That's as much as we can do on that now. So we've got M-U-L of Mulan in. We've also got now a C here in a starting thing, so that must be Cars or Coraline. Oh, now we've got Shrek in. We know a bit more about Akira, A-K. Must go up and not left. And we've only got one starting cell not used, that's that one. Right, Mulan is the key to this. I'll try to remember how I did it. M-U-L. Either of those could be the A, but that's the N. Okay, and now we've got an L and an N and an E. So this looks like it's going to be Coraline, L-I-N-E. are Coraline and cars. Cars, Coraline. Mulan, Akira. Not one of my most convincing solves, but there you go. I'm a bit fed up with it. Thanks for watching.